Accident.
She hit my car.
Were you there?
She hit my car.
Were you there?
She hits my vehicle.
Lady.
Phone with my mother.
Let me see your phone.
Let go. Let go of your phone.
You keep yelling at me.
Because you are talking like an imbecile right now.
Can you get out my face?
Can you stop acting like a brat?
Can you get out of my face?
No.
I work hard for my so it ain't no brat in it.
On August 20th, 2023, a hit-and-run suspect fled on foot. He left behind the vehicle and the woman whose name was on the registration. 17 minutes of body cam followed. An officer trying to identify a driver. A vehicle owner trying to protect him.
It's all good. I'm going to get the car over here. I don't know. You ain't talking to me like that. He ran to the back of the complex. I'm going to be out with the vehicle and I think the owner. This your car?
Yeah, this is my car.
Why you got attitude with me?
Because somebody just hit my car.
Yeah, the guy driving it.
No, and I was on my way to go and see what happened. The girl hit my car.
You were there?
She was flying in the neighborhood.
You were there?
With trash.
You were there? Talk to me. No.
Look, bag up. No, because he's doing all this rowdy and I wasn't even out there. Get your hands off of me.
Listen.
I got the right to be mad about my car. I pay for this car.
Of course you do.
Okay, so get out. Don't grab me.
Then don't be like this.
Ain't nobody said nothing to you out of the way. Mom, you might well come on because this motherfucker acting like he want to arrest me for being mad about my car. No, because he grabbing me.
Do you have your insurance information?
For no reason.
Do you have your
aggressive because somebody else ran?
Do you have your insurance information?
Mama, come on. I got my insurance information. It ain't in my vehicle. It's right here. Don't take my car.
Well, it smells like weed, so I'm going to.
Okay. I'm at home.
They went to the back. I went to the rear building.
Asshole out here about my car. You might well come on. He's saying he took my car because it smells like weed. Up, baby. I'm on my way.
You got your insurance information ready?
Yes, it's on my Apple Pay.
Good, because it sounds like the other driver gonna need it.
Who?
Everybody's gonna need it.
Who is everybody?
The people involved in the accident.
She hit my car.
Were you there?
She hit my car.
Were you there?
She hits my vehicle.
Lady.
Everybody that was there just called me and said that she hit my vehicle. I was on FaceTime with them after she hit my vehicle, sir. That's what I'm trying to
Insurance information, please.
I'll call another police officer. If you're going to search my car and try to go find him, then you can do that because I feel
Who
like
is him?
This is too.
Because you're having a conversation with yourself and not with me.
I'm talking to my mother.
No, you're having a conversation with yourself because you're not answering any questions.
What do you mean? What question have you
I need to see your insurance information.
The hell?
I need to see your insurance information. Are you going to provide it?
Can you get out my face?
Can you stop acting like a brat?
Can you get out of my face?
No.
I work hard for my so it ain't no brat in it.
Then show me the insurance information.
I work too.
Show me the insurance information then. What is wrong with you?
Yelling at me, not finna get it. You might want to run my name because you yelling at me, I ain't finna get that.
Ma'am.
You're really making me so upset right now because you keep yelling at me.
Because you are talking like an imbecile right now.
I don't care.
Do you have your insurance information?
I don't care what I'm talking like.
Marsden, I'm about to strangle her. If you could talk to her for me, because I'm about to put my hands around her neck.
Ma'am, I'm Officer Marsden. This is my sergeant.
Yeah.
He's highly pissed right now. Can you tell me what's going on?
You can't be pissed off at me, baby, because I wasn't there. I was at home when I got a call that a girl
who is driving your vehicle?
The hell? Like, that's crazy.
Obviously, they took off running, lost their shitty little green flip-flops.
Yeah, I can
okay.
Who is driving your vehicle, ma'am?
I'm trying to figure out what insurance information he needs because I got it right
here. I need your identification as well. You got your ID with you? Huh?
I don't.
Okay, that's fine.
Ma'am, who is driving your vehicle?
Write this down because I got to call my mom back.
Who is driving your vehicle?
I'm not worried about that. I'm giving him.
No, we need to know who is driving your vehicle.
He didn't ask me that. So
who is driving your vehicle?
Give him my information to this first. Can I do this first?
Sure. What insurance do you have? Progressive?
Yes.
And what's your birthday?
Start 5.
So, it was reported as a black male driving the vehicle during the hit and run. The vehicle was photographed pulling into Hallmark Mobile Home Park at 11:07. Then the vehicle leaves at 11:14 after being involved in a hit and run. So who was driving the vehicle?
I don't got nothing to do with it.
It's your vehicle, right?
And when did you get in the car?
So it was reported as a black male driving the vehicle during the hit and run. The vehicle was photographed pulling into Hallmark Mobile Home Park. Then the vehicle leaves at 11:14
No, that's not right.
after being involved in a hit and run.
No. So when did you get picked up? You want to try that again? Don't lie to me, man. It's all good.
vehicle, right?
You're not in any trouble.
Who do
Unless you lie, you know what I mean?
drive your vehicle?
So when did you get picked up at?
Who do you allow to drive your vehicle?
A lot of people.
A lot of people. Like whom?
Where'd you get picked up at? Okay. Were you over there during the accident? Because that would be helpful.
Yeah, exactly.
What happened during the accident?
We were bagging back. Lady came with the big ass bags of trash on the front of her hood and just ran straight into us. And then,
So she had them on like the
yeah,
front part of the car,
and it's a small part of us.
and this was at Hallmark. Okay.
Using the commission of a crime.
Yep.
I told.
Yeah, exactly.
Calling next in line, since you don't know that.
The keys are in it. 94774.
All right. So who's driving the car? That's what you're gonna go with. You got picked up by a stranger. All right. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take your phone for a search warrant and see who picked you up. All right. Unless you want to talk to me. Do you want to talk to me? Sounds good.
Hey, the damage is going to be on the back right of the bumper area.
All right. So I'm gonna take his phone for a search warrant since he don't want to tell me who's driving. He said he was in there during the accident.
He was there
Yeah.
during the
He
accident.
got picked up. Don't know who it was. And I'm about to get her phone, and we'll just do search warrants on him.
That's fine.
No. I'm trying to make sure she's good.
All right. I need to see your phone as well.
I'm
I need to
on
see.
the phone with my mother.
I need to see your phone
Let
as well.
go. Let go of your phone, ma'am. Thank you.
All right.
You're not free to leave yet.
What? So what you gonna do?
I need you to sit right here.
Lock me up.
As of right now, no, ma'am.
You know for a fact I wasn't there. So if you
Okay.
gonna lock me up, yes or no?
No.
All right.
I'm not gonna lock you
Matter
up.
of fact, my children in the house. Better get.
That sounds good, ma'am. Go make sure your kids are good.
Yeah. And I want my motherfucking phone.
Okay.
Okay. Now that she's gone, do you want to talk, my friend? So we can handle this like calmly. Do you want to talk about this now?
Ma'am,
So we can get this thing
You want to
resolved, my
talk to us,
friend.
or you want to go inside?
Did y'all call my mother?
No.
Guess where I was.
Okay. Go inside then.
Call my mother.
No.
Come get my children.
You want to talk, my friend? Without her around,
I'm not phone, bro.
I will if you want to talk about what happened
I just told you, man.
and who was driving. I appreciate you telling me about the accident. It does help explain things on how the accident happened. But if we're going to play this game and you don't know who's driving, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to play my game. Because in your phone is going to be whoever called to pick you up at one point today. And I'll go search it and figure who that is. That's the way it works. It's up to you, man. Because I'm going to go home on my phone today. I'm not trying to take your phone from you to be punitive, but I'm going to figure out what happened today. So it's not a punitive thing. I'm trying to do an investigation. If you ain't going to help, then your phone's going to help. Or you can help and you can have your phone and you can go on your way. I don't care either way. I'm going to do my job either way that I have to do it. So do you want to talk at all? Because you're not in any trouble. You just got involved in a situation. That's all. That's it. So whatever you want to do, man. Because I've got him on video. We're going to figure out who he is anyway. So why inconvenience yourself by trying to protect him? You know what I mean? Ain't like he's going to get away. I got it all on video. He turned around and looked at me before he left to make it even easier. I just got to go do the research to figure it out. And the research is going to be, part of that's going to be your phone unless you just want to make it easy for me. That's it, man.
No phone.
I will get your phone as soon as my investigation is complete on who was driving. It's not a trick. I just need to know who was driving, and then I don't need your phone. That's it.
And the vehicle does come back to 11:05.
Yeah.
So obviously, whoever's driving fled to that location.
Yeah, he just had me by 20 years. So
Plus, Plus he lost his little green flippy floppies.
Those things are comfortable too. I got 10 out of 10 good reviews on those things. My 10th one was yesterday over there on Martin Circle. 10 out of 10, those are real comfortable.
Nice.
I would have asked him, I've been 11 out of 11, but
Yeah.
he left them. Maybe I'll just try them on.
Clearly they're not good enough for running, and
They weren't.
they need the 4x4s just like the Crocs.
So anyway, change your mind, let me know. Otherwise, we're about to get out of here in just a few minutes.
Keys are still in it too.
Yeah. So,
Definitely reeks of weed.
oh yeah, 1000%. You can hand her wallet back. It's got social security card in there.
Okay. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, here's your wallet.
I didn't need it. It was in.
Well, it has your social security cards in there and whatnot. You're gonna need that.
Why would I need my social security card?
Well, you should have it in a safe place, and a car is not a safe place to have a social security card.
So people still with bad credit.
What was that?
People still even with bad credit.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. More cards?
No, social security cards.
Yeah. I'll give them to her. Here you go, ma'am.
Why are you giving me all my stuff?
Well, I'm making sure you have your social security card so you can secure them properly.
It is secure. It's in my car.
Cars are broken into all the time.
She can put it back in here if she wants. That's fine. I was just trying to get it out of here.
I wouldn't think.
If you want it back in here, I'll put it back in here. I just didn't know if you wanted to keep it out. I can put it back in here.
I didn't know this bag was in there, so thank
Yeah, it was in the trunk.
you. Got birth certificate.
Absolutely. Yeah, those are important documents that need to be secured.
Why you got my phone?
Tow truck's on the way for it. Because it was involved in a hit and run. That you don't know who was driving, so we're investigating it, okay? So you don't know who was driving. That's a lot of stuff. There's got to be cell phones, car. So we got to figure that out. Okay? Here's what it is.
That don't mean take my car if it's still working.
I'm willing to meet you halfway.
Because I got kids, I got to go to school.
Right. So he's worth all that?
Okay, so if that's what you're trying to negotiate,
Yeah.
just say that in other words. Like, don't try to take my mother.
Okay. Okay. Well, now we're on the same page.
You're still aggressive.
No. I said no.
Don't be no asshole. Just tell me what the you want.
Well, then you don't be an asshole. How about that?
How can I not? If my car was just hit, that's something I have to pay
So
for.
you
if
and
the
I-
girl is not willing to admit that she hit my vehicle,
Listen to me.
then I have to pay for that.
All right. Can I have 1 second?
True or false?
Can I have 1 second? You and I got put in this situation by him
It don't matter. Y'all should be looking for him. Why you stop chasing him?
because I came back to handle the car.
Shit, you could have.
So you gonna complain? So you don't
no,
wanna-
I'm not complaining. I'm not.
So you
complaining.
don't want to just work this out.
I'm not
You want to sit here and complain and moan, and you don't want to just handle this
Yeah, 'cause
situation.
you try to take my car, my phone.
I'm not.
About something that I didn't even have nothing to do with.
But
You're
you
taking
did.
my phone. I can understand the car, but you taking my phone.
You know why?
My mom was on the
Do
phone.
you know why?
It don't matter why.
Well, if you don't want to have a conversation, I'm not gonna waste my oxygen. But I will talk with you
All right. What's up?
calmly.
Okay.
I'll be calm on my side.
Come on.
Of course we can. I will be calm on my side.
I'm finna lose my motherfucking car
Okay.
and my phone.
So again,
that I just bought
we all got
yesterday.
put in this situation unwantingly. I didn't want to be here. You didn't want to be here. He didn't want to be in the car. Okay. I'm sure.
Can I answer one question?
Yes, ma'am.
Did she say she hit my car? Because she did.
Well, you weren't there.
Okay.
So your opinion doesn't matter because you weren't there in the accident part of it, okay?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
I was just asking what she said. I don't know.
We'll get to there. What we have to worry about right now is your vehicle and what happened. Because you weren't there and somebody wrecked your car. Somebody was driving your car when it got wrecked. Fair enough, right? Okay. So we all got put in this situation and all he had to do was stop, and he probably ain't got a license or something. That's a freaking misdemeanor. Now he done amped it up to other stuff, and now because y'all trying to protect him, which I get it, nobody wants to be the guy that says it was him, but it was him. So now I've got to look through cell phones to figure out who he was. That's where we're at. Or y'all can tell me who he is, and that way I don't need your phones. I don't want to take your phone. It's more work for me, and it ain't a quick process. It's gonna be like days, and it's not to punish you. It's just I have to figure out who is driving because it's an investigation. It's where we're at. I've been doing this 15 years. I know what I'm doing, okay? So if I can identify the driver, I really don't need to further the investigation anymore. We're going to work the accident part of it. He's giving me a statement about the accident, which is very helpful. We're going to see if it matches up what we have out there. I haven't even been out there, so I don't even know what she said because I just was on this side of town.
And saw my car was wrecked.
Well, tag number and all that was
The same.
witnessed by whoever was out there. So that's all. We did not want to meet today. I will agree with you 100%. Both of you and I did not want to meet today. And not because you're a bad person. You weren't on the table today. It just happened. We got put in this situation. So how are we going to get out of it? 44 Central. Can you cancel the next in line out here? Put them back at the top of the list.
Can you at least call my mom?
Why do I need to call your mom?
What you mean? This my mother.
I know, ma'am.
What you mean? I tell her everything. She helped me get this vehicle. So
Right. So let's
she got to know.
So let's meet each other halfway. Cause I'm going. He's on camera. I'm gonna find out who he is. It just. Am I gonna find out the easy way or the hard way?
What camera you on?
My camera. You're on my camera right now. He turned around and posed for it before he took off running. Like, I'm gonna find out who he is. It ain't like it's a secret. Y'all are thinking y'all protecting him. You ain't protecting nobody. You just causing me more work. And in response to that, I have to take your cell phones as part of that work. It's more work for everybody because of him. That's where we're at. But I'm not gonna sit here all day and argue with you back and forth. I'm just trying to. I've stated my position. It's where we're at. Hey, how you doing? I mean, you know.
Sorry.
Sorry. Can't hear anything.
Jesus.
That's all right. I'm not gonna talk over him. See if mom has any sense.
What did she tell you?
She ain't told me nothing yet.
Dang, you released the car?
She's gonna tell me something. Once mom finds out car is on the line and phones are on the line.
For a second, I thought it was gonna bite you.
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good. How you doing?
All right.
I'm her mother.
Yeah. You got any questions for me?
I don't know what to say.
I know. Well, I'll make sure I tell you where we're at.
Okay.
Make sure she's relayed everything correctly, which I'm sure she has. I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. Basically, at this point, he's the wrong place at the wrong time, and she lent her car to the wrong person.
Right.
That's their only involvement.
Right.
However, he's young. He's a different generation. He's younger than I am. I've been around here a long time. I don't know who he is right now.
Right.
I got him on camera. I got a picture of him. I will find out who he is.
Okay.
But because they're not wanting to be cooperative and realize who put all of us in this situation and make my job easier, I'm taking his cell phone and her cell phone and I'm towing the car.
But why you need my cell phone if you got
Again,
his cell
I'm talking to
phone?
mom right now because I'm going to figure out who's
But you
contacting her
have-
for the car.
You got
It's
his
probable,
cell phone.
and him who picked him up today.
You got his cell
So I can
phone.
figure out who is driving.
With him.
Or I could be told by you after y'all go in the shade who is driving. That's all I need to know because I don't need anything from them. I don't want to do the extra work, but I'm going to on principle because we had a bad start.
I heard.
Half of it was my fault. I'll own up to my part of it.
Definitely half of it with mine, but
Yeah,
'cause it's
exactly.
my car. Like that's all
I
I'm
understand.
thinking about.
But you understand, I didn't make your car
Exactly.
get wrecked, and you didn't want it to get wrecked either.
I know, but still, like with my phone, I just got this. I've just been without a phone since Monday. I just bought my phone yesterday.
Right. So on the investigation side of it,
you finna take it again.
if you want to listen, I'll tell you. On the
spent all that money. Keep be quiet.
On the investigation side of it, I'm gonna go get a search warrant for both phones to see who contacted y'all.
Get my phone until you get the certain warrant.
No, it's not how.
Get it before you take some.
No,
Why
you
would you
can't.
take
That's
it?
not how it works. Or the very simple thing is,
Simple thing is tell him who he is. He can get your phone and your car.
and that's it. Because I've got him on video. I don't even need you to come to court. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't.
Right.
I'm gonna figure it out.
But
I just.
man is underage. His name KB. That's all I know. I ain't even been 2 weeks. I mean, what? A car is a car. Like I didn't think it was that big of a deal because he was supposed to only be at the store up the street. This store. So I mean, I don't know what else you want me to tell you. He ain't they daddy. So I mean, like that's where we at with. Like, I don't know what you want me to say.
So you don't know anything else?
I don't know anything
Well,
else. Like
I'm gonna have-
he wasn't even supposed to leave this area. So
I hear what you're saying, but if that's all you got on the ID form, then I'm gonna have to go forward with everything to get a real identity on him. So
Go play with your
there ain't no way of beating around the bush on this. It's either we'll find out who he is or we don't. And I really am trying to go above and beyond because it is inconvenient to take your phone. It is. For me as well. It's extra paperwork. But I ain't scared of paperwork. I just would rather not do it at this age.
I want to talk to these two.
Go ahead. Well, we've made it to a guy named KB who she's been screwing for 2 weeks.
My opinion, when she saw the tow truck hooking her for, she might have to change her heart.
Go on mute for 1 second.
That her mom?
He's probably in her apartment. They gave everything back. I got what I needed off her phone.
Oh.
So he's a offender, by the way, just in case y'all worry about kids. He's on suspended registry. So
Okay.
don't tell me no. Come here.
I want a mom here when I say this because it's not a threat. I was going to let you know the situation. If he's found with either one of y'all can be charged with hindering, okay? Just keep that in mind. And he is on the suspended registry. You got kids. It is what it is, okay? But if he's found at your apartment or in your car, then there's going to be warrants on you for helping him hinder and stay outstanding, okay? Like I said, not a threat, just giving you the situation. And you too, my man. All right, thank you, man. Thanks for coming out here. Is there any other questions I can answer for you?
No, sir. I appreciate it.
Okay.
I'm saying, like, did you get his statement, like, separate?
I asked him what happened in the accident. He told me. Yeah,
You didn't
yeah.
get hurt or anything in it, did you?
Yeah.
It was a small accident, but I still have to ask.
Yeah, but I doubt your insurance is going to cover it because he was at fault and he's unlicensed and you let him drive the car, so I doubt they're going to cover anything.
How he was at fault?
Again.
How he was at fault? She had trash bags on top of her vehicle.
He backed out in front of her.
No, we
She had trash. They weren't even bagged up. That's what I kept trying
I know
to
I
tell
found
you.
where it is, and
And
when you're backing out of a space, you have to.
You know, if he was here to corroborate your statement, that would have helped out a lot, but he ain't, so he ain't help y'all out none. But you got your phone back. Still help me out though, I appreciate it.
The detention was lawful. Her car was photographed leaving the scene minutes after the collision. Terry versus Ohio permits briefly holding anyone with a reasonable, articulable connection to an investigation. The officer took her phone. He said he would get a search warrant before reading it. That part is correct. Riley versus California, 2014. No warrant, no phone search. But seizing a phone and searching it are two separate Fourth Amendment events. Taking a device from a non-arrested person without consent and without a warrant lacks independent authority. Intent to get a warrant later does not retroactively fix a seizure that lacked grounds when it happened. The tow threat was legally cleaner. South Dakota versus Opperman permits impounding a vehicle that is active evidence. Leveraging real legal consequences is not coercive by default. Courts ask whether the pressure exceeded what the law authorized. The vehicle owner had a clean exit silence. The Fifth Amendment lets her say nothing about who was driving. Not a crime, a right. She did not use it. She told officers she did not know the driver. She did know. She gave a false, partial name. Georgia Code Section 161024 covers this exactly. Obstruction means knowingly hindering an officer in the lawful discharge of duties. A false suspect identity satisfies that. Silence would not have. That is the line her criminal exposure crossed. The male subject answered the accident facts and stayed quiet on identity. He was not charged. Declining to answer and providing a false answer are not the same legal act. That gap is where liability begins. Cambridge identified himself. He called her while her phone was still paired to the car's Bluetooth. His name appeared on the infotainment screen. The officer never searched the phone. Cambridge pleaded guilty to obstruction and driving without a license. 49 days, $490 in fines. The vehicle owner entered a nolo contendere plea in May 2025. 5 hours confinement. The officer earns a B+. He held composure under sustained provocation and returned the phone as promised. He acknowledged partial fault for the rough start. On-scene accountability at that level is uncommon. The deduction is the phone seizure. Legal intent was right. Authority for taking the device was never clearly established. The vehicle owner receives a C. She had the Fifth Amendment available and chose false statements instead. Cambridge is finished with this case. She entered a plea 2 years later. That is the cost. The male subject gets a B-. He answered the facts, stayed quiet on identity. Far sounder legally. Cambridge receives a D. Unlicensed fled a misdemeanor collision and produced charges for 2 people who tried to help him. First silence and a false answer are not equivalent. One is a right. The other can be a crime. Second, Riley controls the search. The seizure is its own Fourth Amendment moment. Consent matters when the device is taken. Third, Cambridge had misdemeanor exposure. The vehicle owner's obstruction record came entirely from protecting him. He is done. She entered a plea 2 years later. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.